Welcome back to the 10K SOXL Trader Challenge Day 46. This video is a recap of the October 20, 2025 trading day. Today featured one trade with a small profit. Market overview. Monday market overall maintained recovery, tug-of-war rhythm, with early session oscillating upward driven by sentiment and heavyweight stocks, afternoon intraday momentum slowing. Volume and futures basis resonance remained unstable with limited trend continuation. Daily operations and execution. Capital-based. Available capital per trade is $10,595.19. Day 45 ending balance. Orders placed in whole shares, without leverage or margin, ignoring commissions and slippage to maintain statistical consistency. Position sizing rules. Shares per trade equals $10,595.19 divided by entry price, rounded down to whole shares. Trade details. Trade 1, 10:06 a.m. buy 248 shares at $42.56. Cost. $42.56 times 248 equals $10,554.88. 11:53 a.m. sell 248 shares at $42.61. Proceeds. $42.61 times 248 equals $10,567.28. Result. Plus $12.40. Plus 0.12%. Holding duration. Approximately 1 hour 47 minutes. 10:06 right pointing arrow 11:53. Daily P&L and net asset value. Daily gross P&L. Plus $12.40. Daily account return. Plus 0.12%. Latest account balance. $10,607.59. Index and market recap. U.S. Equities overall maintained recovery, tug-of-war rhythm, with early session oscillating upward driven by sentiment and heavyweight stocks, afternoon intraday momentum slowing. Volume and futures basis resonance remained unstable with limited trend continuation. Semiconductors and growth sectors. Internal sector divergence continued, with high beta instruments like SOXL still showing obvious high elasticity plus high pullback characteristics. Short-term focused on structural windows, suitable for quick in and out. Interest rates and dollar. 10-year Treasury yield and dollar index marginal fluctuations still had amplification effects on growth-style valuations and intraday risk appetite but did not form clear unidirectional guidance. Futures and volume. Key periods did not show sustained basis plus volume amplification moving in same direction, indices primarily trading within range. In weak resonance environment, cost-benefit ratio of chasing rallies and holding longer was low. Today's news. Macro and policy. Trade and export control uncertainties intertwined with policy expectations. Market remains sensitive to related statements. Weight oscillation between risk-off and rate cut expectations elevated intraday noise and pulse frequency. Industry and corporate. Positive rhetoric from foundries and some equipment chains provided certain support for early session sentiment, but internal industry strength weakness rotation remained rapid. Periodic disturbances from financial and regional banks still limited index consistency. Market structure. Capital characterized by coexistence of dip testing plus high-level profit-taking, with volatility in elevated to pullback transition range. Short waves and fast rhythm held advantage. Quantitative summary. Number of trades. 1. Win rate. 1/1, 100%. Daily gross P&L. Plus $12.40. Daily account return. Plus 0.12%. Latest account balance. $10,607.59. Execution and review highlights. Discipline. Trade executed according to predetermined signals, maintaining consistent position sizing and risk parameters. Observation. Early session sentiment in heavyweight stocks provided support, with trade completed within 1 hour 47 minutes, adhering to quick in and out Principle. Although single trade profit was small, plus $12.40. Locking in profit promptly in weak resonance environment demonstrated grasp of market rhythm. Improvements in recovery, tug of war environment, sticking to signal confirmation plus quick in and out plus small targets helps stabilize expected value. Today's trade was precisely this strategy in practice: not greedy, not hesitant, take profits when available. Closing thoughts. In the recovery, tug of war environment, sticking to signal confirmation plus quick in and out plus small targets helps stabilize expected value. Although today's profit was small, it's precisely this adherence to rules and grasp of small targets that keeps us steadily moving forward in uncertain markets. Accumulating small wins into big victories, controlling drawdowns is more important than chasing large gains. If this recap is helpful to you, please like, bookmark, and share for support. Every interaction from you fuels my motivation to continue these daily updates. Also, welcome to share your intraday rhythm and risk control insights in the comments. Let's grow together through exchange. Follow the account to not miss daily live trading recap updates. See you in the next video.